And obviously the very, very London these last 2 nights, we've seen temperatures 13, 14 degrees, which is just as mild as a typical summer night. And even in April during the day, we get those temperatures. Now, where's the air coming from? All the way from the Azores on this conveyor belt of cloud and rain that's been stuck over us for such a long time now. It's the persistence of the rain. You can see the weather front here slicing across Wales and central Britain, adding to all the water that's already on the ground, the saturated ground. So still there's that weather warning in force for northern and central Wales. We could see, again, quite a bit of rain by the time we finish the day. Now, to the north of this, all of this weather action, we've got a very different weather picture here. It's dry, there's even some brightness around. Temperatures a little bit fresher, but even 7 degrees for the end of January still isn't cold at all. Now, hopping across the border into England, back into this zone of cloud, this conveyor belt of cloud we go, and also a lot of very mild weather. 13 degrees in Cardiff and around about 13 degrees in Plymouth. But you can see that the rain isn't particularly heavy, it just keeps going on, and it's just spits and spots. Now, it's tonight where we see this second dose of rain rushing in, splashing across Northern Ireland, Northern England, into southern Scotland as well. We're really concerned about this rainfall, particularly across this part of the world where we could see 30 to 50 millimeters of rain, even 75, and an additional hazard will be snow, some very heavy snow as well. And this has prompted the Met Office to issue already an early warning for the rain and the snow, and this is in around about 24 hours time we probably see all of this. Now, it looks as though the heavy rain again will cross Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England. Snowfalls could be up to around about 10, 20 centimeters across the hills in this part of the world, and then of course we've got all of that rainfall. But to the south, the same story continues. It's cloud and rain is the story for the rest of the week, apart from a couple of exceptions. Now, here's the rainmaker and the snowmaker that clears away into the North Sea, and then there's a second drencher coming in during Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. So let's pick up on the details then. Just for a time, some of us will get away with a bit of dry weather, quite possibly, but the rain already getting into Northern Ireland, western portions of the British Isles, and it looks as though Tuesday will end up a pretty soggy day. Then on Wednesday, more weather fronts, more belts of rain whooshing themselves across the country, bringing a threat of heavy rain this time, and we're talking about the middle of the week now, towards the northern half of the UK. So it looks as though we're not going to see so much brightness across Scotland then. But to the south, again, those very high temperatures of 13 degrees for the time of year. And then on Thursday, just for a time, it looks as though we're going to see something different. Colder air coming in from the North Atlantic, even a bit of sleet or snow this time almost anywhere across western parts of the British Isles, and lower temperatures too. But this cold snap isn't going to last for very long at all. Back again we go into this belt of rain and very mild air off the central Atlantic, and lots of isobars as well. That means some strong winds. So by the time we get to Friday, we could well be seeing, again, heavy rain across the north and also severe gales, some vicious gusts of wind almost anywhere across western Britain. Here's the floodline number again, and you can also check out our website for more information.